In this video, I'll show you how to open a dispute on Alibaba step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Alibaba website. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, go to the Orders section in your account dashboard. Find the order related to the issue you want to report. Click on the order to view the full order details. Look for the option called Open Dispute or Request Refund. Click on Open Dispute to start the process. Next, choose the reason for the dispute, such as item not received, damaged product, or product not matching the description. Provide a clear explanation of the problem and upload any evidence if required, such as photos or screenshots. After entering all the details, submit the dispute request. Alibaba will review the information and may contact both the buyer and seller for additional detail. You can track the dispute status directly in your account dashboard.